Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So today we're doing another video on periodicity. So let's get moving. Bam! Today we're talking about electron affinity, or EA. So electron affinity, EA, is the acquisition of an electron by an atom or ion in the gas phase. So you're going to imagine that this is exactly opposite that of the ionization energy, which is a removal of an electron in the gaseous state. The more negative the electron affinity, the greater the affinity of an atom has for an electron. So the greater the negative value, they like electrons more. Okay, chlorine has the most negative electron affinity, followed by fluorine at negative 322 kilojoules per mole. The negative value lets you know that this is an exothermic reaction to form an ion of fluorine, which would be a fluoride ion of a 1- charge because it's a halogen. The trend in ionization energy is the same as electron affinity, and that is the electron affinity becomes more negative as one moves up a group and across a period from left to right. Okay? All right. Noble gases are not included in this discussion whatsoever. Nonmetals have high electron affinity because they gain electrons, whereas metals have low electron affinity because they lose electrons. Okay, we just discussed the ionization energy of metals, and that should make sense. All right, there are no second electron affinities because there are huge electron-electron repulsions, and that's why those don't occur. So take a look at this graph. This graph is on the y-axis. You have electron affinity in electron volts, okay, and then the atomic number along the x-axis, okay, and I'm going to highlight this. The electron affinity increases as you go up a group, and it also increases across a period from the left to the right. Okay, that would be for every period and every group. And then if we take a look at this graphic here of the periodic table, the highest electron affinity, one might think that it is fluorine because fluorine has the greatest other value that we're going to be discussing next, but it's actually chlorine, and chlorine has a negative 348 kilojoules per mole. Fluorine is number 2, however. Okay, and then that tells you, if you look at these numbers here, this is just a selection of electron affinity numbers here. If you look at these, the numbers tend to increase in negative value as you go up a group. If you look at any one of these groups, and as you go from left to the right within a period. So the overall trend is in this direction. Okay, I hope you like that. That was electron affinity, and this is a Crazy Hat. If you like that video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you next time for more cool chemistry videos. I'll talk to you later. Bye now.